WhatsApp supports different text formats: bold, italic, strike-through and monospace. This is how to use it. All you need is just select your text and tap on these three dots in pop-up menu. Now scroll down and here is your text formats: bold. Now your text is wrapped into two asterisks. Let's make italic text, three dots, italic, two underscores, one on each side. Let's make strike through, two tildes. Let's make monospace, 6 apostrophe, 3 on each side. Also, you can do this manually, so just start typing with asterisks and asterisk on other side. And here is your bold text. Now just send the message, and that's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye.